Okay, y'all. This is my niece's first time driving.
I guess.
Okay, pretend like I got my seatbelt on. All right, so the first thing you did is put on your seatbelt. Are you up far enough? Is the steering wheel up too high or is it low enough?
It's good.
Okay, now, what else do you do after that?
I turn the emergency brake off.
Okay, but we ain't got to worry about that. It's not,
I go on a drive.
Stick to the safety. Before
I check my mirror.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
I can see.
Make sure everybody's sitting back with their seatbelt on, sir. I don't got mine on. We're going to pretend. All right, now, so before you put it into drive, what do you do? If you want me to give you the answer, just let me know. I'm going to let you guess before I give you the answer.
Make sure it's like nothing in my peripheral.
Okay, now after that, before you put it in drive, what do you do?
I clutch brake.
There you go. There you go. Put your foot on the brake while you putting it in. There you go. See? Put your foot on the brake. You know which one is the brake, right?
This is a big one, right?
The big one is the brake. Yeah, the left one is the brake. The right one is the gas. Yes. All right. So put your foot on only the brake. Do you drive with 2 feet or one? Because some people drive with 2 feet.
I drive with 2 feet.
Okay. So you just gonna have to remember the left is the brake, the right is the gas. All right. So put your foot only on the brake and then go to drive. Okay. Now you take off and you go slow until you pick up your momentum.
Oh!
And you can do some turns whenever you're ready. Y'all, she getting it. All right, now we close to the pole. Which way you gonna go? Okay. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Okay, y'all, she doing it. She doing it.
Turn.
So right here, I'm just basically explaining to Honesty how to take off without hitting the gas too hard, as well as how to brake without hitting the brakes too hard. And I gotta be honest, y'all, she did way better than I thought she would do, especially because this is her first time ever getting behind a wheel and driving. She did so good, y'all, and she was very, very calm. She was very attentive. She was listening, and everything that I was trying to teach her, she caught on to pretty fast. So I'm proud of my baby. I really am. I put our life in her hands, so I genuinely trusted her to be as safe as possible so we can make it out alive. And we did.
My chest, treating little butt like my pets. I let the bitch use me for sex. I know they young wanna catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one bitch, they 10. One-on-one never again. I get the kick in the butt.
By doing that, because you don't know how fast they gonna take off. I'm trying to tell you what I know as we go, because girl, I'm not the best person to be teaching nobody how to drive, but you got the turning and the driving straight. You got that. Yours is, once you get the gas and the brakes, you gonna be good because you got everything else. You just gotta practice with somebody else on the road. Girl, after that was perfect. That's how you stop. All right.
Rhyme in the town in the drop top coupe in the motor in the trunk, you can hear it. Hearing all about how they want me to lose, but I'm W, due for a win. Fucking this bitch in the orgy, I'm having a snow bunny, pull up her legs.